Solar panels are incredibly durable, reliable, low maintenance, and the warranties that we offer provide additional protection and peace of mind. That being said, some preventative maintenance can help extend the life of your system and improve the efficiency as well. Here are some of the tips for maintaining your solar panels year-round. Generally speaking, your solar panels only need to be cleaned once or twice a year. A good rule of thumb is to inspect your array seasonally to check for damage, obstructions, and to determine if professional assistance is needed. Northern California is prone to a lot of summertime air pollutants that can build up on your panels. From pollen and dust to ash and wildfires, you can easily clear these types of debris from your solar panels by rinsing them with a garden hose. Falling leaves and other debris can quickly build up on your panels and rack from nearby trees and high winds in the fall. Fortunately, leaf removal is a simple process that is familiar to cleaning your gutters. Just be sure to take proper safety measures and avoid using abrasive tools to clear the leaves away. If you live in mountainous areas that get snow, it's important to clear the snow and ice away from your solar panels in the winter. To remove the snow, simply clear any drifts covering your array. To remove ice, you may want to contact a professional to avoid damaging those solar panels. Spring is an excellent time for an annual solar panel inspection where a professional can clean your panels, inspect your roof for water damage or drainage issues, and check the integrity of your inverter. And of course, ensure that each component is operating to its fullest potential. At West Coast Solar, we want to help you get the most out of your investment. Contact us to learn more about our hassle-free maintenance packages, or simply ask us questions about maintaining your system properly. Well, thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing day.